What's going on, guys? Ryan Martello here at the Crypto Fiend Studios, bringing you guys the hottest, the latest, and everything crypto-related news. Today, we're going to be doing a simple update on the market, seeing which cryptocurrencies are trending right now, as well as some exciting news in the near future. Thank you all this past week for being patient. I know I haven't uploaded in a week for obvious reasons if you watched my video from yesterday, but everything's back to normal, everything's great, and we're going to start moving and grooving again in the crypto space. So right now, the market cap is $257 billion. Not much you can say about that. We are greatly down on the dumps right now, but if you are interested in jumping into cryptocurrencies or improving in your investment, this would be the time to do it. You want to buy low, sell high. If I learned anything from any investors, that's what I learned. You buy low, you sell high. Now, that's not financial advice. Maybe I need to put a title right here that's not financial advice, but that's what's going on right now in the crypto space. Market cap kind of down, but we're going to be looking at some trending cryptos right now. That's what we're going to be mainly doing in this video. First, we're going to be looking at Ontology. I am honestly very shocked how well Ontology is doing. Their market cap got released on March 16th, and ever since then, they've been doing phenomenal. Since March 16th, they've over doubled in market cap, and that's just great to see. Now, right now, with the current price movement, it is up 70% on the week, so it's not necessarily something you would just want to jump into, as well as we are seeing this kind of sideways movement right now. A little bit of a sideways movement, and that's definitely something you want to take into consideration when considering just jumping into a crypto, because sideways movement indicates that it's bound to have a breakout either up or down, and most likely down, with a little bit of a correction, because we are doing phenomenal with Ontology right now for obvious reasons that people are really supporting this project. If you guys don't know what Ontology is, the summed up version for you guys, Ontology is a platform where they want to really make it easy for companies and organizations to just jump into the crypto space without fully understanding blockchain technology, and kind of use Ontology as a way to guide them, kind of having Ontology hold their hand through the process and get them onto the blockchain. So the simple factor of that, I do like the concept, as well as Neo is a great supporter of Ontology, which is awesome to see as well. And Ontology is running off of the Neo blockchain right now, so that's cool to see. So right now, I do want to make a position in Ontology for a long-term hold, but I'm not going to be jumping in right now, to the simple factor, again, it's having this little of a sideways movement, as well as it being up 70% on the week. So I am going to keep an eye on it, but as of right now, I'm not going to be making a position. The next one I want to look at is going to be Verge, up 61% on the week. Wow. What's going on with Verge? Up 14% right now on the day. Verge is making some movement. As you can see from this beautiful chart, Verge is making moves, guys. Before we jump into the news side of Verge, of why it's making movement, what's Verge? The summed up version, I know I've talked about this in a few other videos, they're a privacy coin. Their main focus is making your cryptocurrency anonymous transactions, simple as that. They also want to make it so that you can use Verge in every day-to-day transactions, whether you're going to a coffee shop or you're buying clothing, whatever it is, they want to make it so that you can use Verge. Now, what I really like about Verge is they're greatly revolved around their community. They call it the Verge fam, which is kind of a cool name, but that's awesome to see that the community is greatly supportive of Verge, and they have a very large community, and the community kind of controls what happens with Verge as well, so that's cool to see. So what news is going around that is causing such speculation for Verge? Why is it moving in price so greatly? Right now, Verge is going to be having an announcement on April 17th of a huge partnership. And the last month, the Verge chief developer came out and he was teasing the community that they were on the edge of making a historic partnership with a global organization, and that this partnership would change the world of cryptocurrencies forever. That sentence gives me chills and gets me very excited. So with this statement, of course, there's going to be speculation. On April 17th, this announcement will take place of who the partnership is. As of right now, the speculation is PayPal, Pornhub, Amazon, or Overstock.com. So right now, the majority of the community, Verge community, is deviating away from Pornhub and Amazon, to the simple factor that Verge did come out and say that when this partnership takes place, this will be broadcasted all over the world, which is awesome to hear, because that's going to really get people people's heads turning, probably get the price of Verge moving greatly, as well as start moving the overall cryptocurrency community greatly, the market cap. So right now, we are mainly looking at PayPal and Overstock, because Pornhub, they're not going to broadcast Pornhub all over the world. Amazon really kind of keeps to themselves. They don't talk about utilizing blockchain technology. I'm sure they're looking into it, but they don't make anything public. As well as Overstock.com, the reasoning I'm mentioning them is that the CEO is very passionate about cryptocurrency technology, blockchain technology. So we're considering that maybe Overstock.com could be integrating Verge into their platform. Now, that would be a huge partnership, but not nearly as big as PayPal. If PayPal was to utilize Verge into their current software, that would be huge. Huge for the cryptocurrency community as a whole, not just for Verge, but overall. Because if you see a big company name like PayPal, everyone knows PayPal. If you see PayPal jumping into the crypto space, a lot of other companies are gonna consider doing that as well, because these companies have to keep up with the competition. Whether it's credit card companies, whoever it is, they have to keep up with the current technology. And if PayPal is jumping into the space, not afraid to utilize this technology, really deviating from away from all the naysayers, this is going to be huge. So the main reason why people are supporting PayPal as the partnership is that PayPal is having a terms of agreement update on April 19th. April 19th, 2 days after the announcement from Verge, PayPal is going to be updating their terms of agreement. So that's the main reason why people think it's PayPal. And if that's the case, I really can't give you a price prediction of where Verge can go. This is going to be huge for Verge. This is going to be monumental. This is really going to help the overall growth of cryptocurrencies. I would not be surprised if we saw a huge flood of money come back into the crypto space for Verge specifically, as well as overall, because people are going to see that, hey, PayPal is not afraid to do this. Maybe we should just jump into it as well. Now, I'm not trying to hype things up, get you guys to invest, because that's not who I am. I'm not a financial advisor, but I personally am going to be making a position into Verge. It is up 55% on the week, so that is something you have to consider. It is up greatly on the week, but we are still 8 days away from this announcement. 8 days. So up to that 8 days, you can definitely expect Verge is going to move up in price to the simple factor that people like to buy on the hype and sell on the news. Now, if PayPal does happen to be the partnership, you can damn well expect Verge is going to get, I would not be surprised if Verge got near all-time highs. Now, I'm not thinking it's going to get near $1 or anything like that, because that would just be outrageous. But to definitely see Verge right now, the market cap, what's the market cap? 1 billion. At its all-time highs, it was around $3.3 billion. That is very, very reachable. Especially these big whales, these big investors, you could expect them to flood money into Verge. So this is one I want you all to keep an eye on, whether you invest or you don't. Keep an eye on it. Definitely anticipate the news coming up to April 17th of who this is going to be. Leave comments below who you guys think this partnership is going to be. But as of right now, a lot of people have a lot of support that is going to be PayPal. So that is awesome to see, and I am going to be making a position. So that's the video for today, guys. We only looked at 2 cryptocurrencies to the simple factor that there's not much going on in the space right now. There's a couple other cryptos that are doing very well on the day, but nothing crazy. We have Mixin up 40%, but that's a crypto that's kind of pumping and dumping right now. Those are the ones you want to stay away from. As well as Polymath is doing phenomenal on the day at 34%, but it is down on the hour. And the rest of everything is kind of here and there. So that's the market for today, guys. Let me know down below what the partnership for Verge is going to be, what you think it's going to be, if you're investing, if you're not investing. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all my own opinion. Some other stuff for you guys. If you are interested in joining into the Telegram group for the Crypto Fiend community, we talk about everything crypto related. It's me, a bunch of other investors. It's very exciting to talk to you guys one-on-one and really have a good conversation, because you can't really do that on YouTube. Go ahead and join the Telegram group. I want to get some more members in there and start some good discussions. As well, I would love if you are already in the group to really start conversations, start talking about the price movement, what cryptocurrencies you're interested in looking into, all that good stuff. That's always awesome to see that everyone can communicate together and really help benefit each other in this cryptocurrency journey. So I will catch you guys tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button for everything crypto related, and I will catch you guys in the next.